to my channel. We have an unboxing today. So excited. All right, March 2024, we have Boxycharm and Ipsy Glam Bag. So we're gonna take a look at these, and there are, well, I guess there's been new prices since like November, and I'm just finding out about it, but $14 for this bag. By the way, thank you, Lisa. And $30 for this here. And then you've got that $1.99 handling fee. So you get 5 deluxe size samples. You fill out a quiz. It's supposed to be tailored to your needs, all that fun stuff. And then you get 5 full-size items in here. So we're going to go through the Creator Bundle. Yes. And we're getting them like so early. I'm super excited about it. Okay, so I did peek. I kind of know what's in here, but it's all good, right? All right, so we're going to go through the glam bag first and the 5 items. All right, so, and this one was really good. By Pacifica, we have the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. Now, this here is 40 ml, so it's 1.4 fluid ounces. That's actually a pretty decent size. I mean, these are definitely deluxe size samples, so I'm excited about that. Then next we have, oh my gosh, there's a naked lady on here. Okay. I don't know, something beauty. I can't read it. It's a truffle leave-in conditioner. Okay, so we've got something to soften the hair. Nice. Moving on, we have Shades by Shan. This here is a quad. Check that out. Pretty colors. You have got 2 mattes, then you have like a shimmer and almost like a glitter kind of color here, but those are pretty. Then we have a brush, and I'm gonna be honest, I just, it says it's a mega shading brush, but with how, I'm probably not gonna use it. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's probably not one of those that I'm gonna like. Yeah. All right, moving on. So the last thing we have, this is a lip liner, So Seductive, by, who the heck is this? Alexa, I don't know. It's really hard to see, especially if I'm hiding in my room. All right, let's just, ooh, okay. Definitely not a color I would use. It would not look good on me, but I could possibly pass it on to a family member. And the bag is kind of cute. So yeah, I'm kind of liking that. So we have the lip liner. Then we have the brush that we all know I'm probably not going to use. I might be good for concealer, but I definitely wouldn't use this for shading. It's no. We have the quad, and then we have the leave-in conditioner and the cleanser. So that's everything for the glam bag. I have to say that is pretty impressive. I'm quite shocked. The glam bags are getting better. All right, moving on to Boxycharm. Just dropped it. Rewrite the rules. Okay. So that's that. Then we've got, let me see. We're getting ready for spring. Ever Eden 50, SPF 50 Premium Mineral